Martha's Vineyard is an island off the coast of Cape Cod, which is just south of Boston.
So you have Massachusetts, and then right in the middle of the water, you have Martha's Vineyard, and then Nantucket.
Historically, this was originally a naval air station, so it was built in 1942, and it's been a commercial airport since 1959.
Over the past decade, Piedmont's been the ground handler here for Republic. About a couple of years ago, we added Envoy service, all 175s. We take care of everything involving the terms of American aircraft. It's the entire operation, everything from the ticket counter all the way through the ramp, gate operations. We operate flights from Memorial Day through Labor Day.
During the week, we have 4 flights, and on the weekends, we have 6. All of our flights are coming from either DC, LaGuardia, Chicago, Charlotte, or Philadelphia.
The major challenge for us is this is an unconventional airport. It's a very limited space, very limited infrastructure. It's an old airport. We have 4 major airlines that are trying to get a lot of passengers in and out. During the summer, this island goes from 20,000 regular residents to 200,000. Because we're just a team of 9, I think the strength of this team is that everybody is really flexible in getting the job done. We have to be really in tune with each other in turning a plane efficiently, safely, because we do have an open ramp area. So it's a lot of different moving pieces, a lot of turning aircraft. We have to be vigilant at all times as to where our passengers are going to and from the aircraft.
With it being an island, you can only get here by plane or boat.
Airline service is critical and important to the island because we tend to get a lot of travelers who now can come up on the weekends and not have to do all the driving. We have a lot of legacy vacationers, families that have come for years. Every year they book and come and they stay for the entire summer.
When it comes down to delays, it's hard to get people off the island.
Having that issue where flights are canceled, boats are canceled, leaves very little room to help accommodate the passengers.
It's definitely limited resources. Back home, you have like hotels, taxis, all these things that you can use to help people out and to get them off island. We do a pretty good job of being just very honest with the passengers, especially if they're going to turn into like a longer delay. A lot of people come out here with not just their immediate family, we see like groups and groups of people. So a lot of times when we hit peak summer, we can be booked out for a week, 2 weeks. And I think this team does a really great job of using those resources as best as they can and really going above and beyond for passengers out here.
I've been in Martha's Vineyard now 9 years. Our team comprises what I think is the best of Piedmont from across the network. A lot of people have come through here from a lot of places.
The teamwork here is really unmatched. Everybody is willing to help out where help is needed.
Everybody here is a leader, everybody here is a contributor, and it makes the operation much better.
Without question, I enjoy knowing that this staff here is coming back. It's really a pleasure to deal with them.